Okay, we're gonna be making a video on how to hack a vending machine, but it has to be one of these ones with like the one that like grabs the drink. So let me see. Put in $3. We're gonna get monsters. I swear this is real. Like I know it's real, bro. So each of these monsters are $3, and we're gonna be getting 3 monsters. That's 3. Okay.
Yeah,
Take it. Now watch everything I do. Okay. So down there we're gonna get. Which one should we get? Should we just get that one, or you want a coffee one?
The regular.
Okay, E4. Now watch. We're gonna type in E4. You gotta stick your hand in it. And then it stops. It doesn't go in, so it thinks that something's blocking it. So it'll go back down, and you gotta keep holding it. Put your arm in here and hold the black door, and it should come back up. And you gotta block it again, and then it'll stay back down, and then you get all your money back. Wait, listen. Put it down there. Wait, no. I'll show you. Wait, let me get it all out. Okay, look. We got all of our quarters back. $3. So, and that's stuck down. Oh, it's not focusing. So that's this monster stuck down there. So we're gonna get another one. Show them that.
$75, $25, $50, $75, $2, $2.55, $2.50.
Okay.
$3.
Now which pen should we get?
The blue one.
And see, this one's stuck down there.
So E6.
Okay, E6. So we're gonna type in E6.
Oh.
I'm gonna block it again.
No, don't block it.
And it's trying to put it through the chute, but it won't.
Yeah.
So it's gonna. So we got our money back again. So this time we're just gonna let it go. Wait. Now this time, so we had $3 the whole entire time. Okay, so now we're just gonna get one more, and then we're gonna let them all come through the chute. And so we got 3 monsters for only $3. And usually at a store they're about $4.95, so like $5 each. And we just got 3 for $3. Okay, we have $3, so now we're just gonna get. We need to get one over here so it doesn't clog it. So we're just gonna another regular
E2.
E2. So E2. Now watch it. Now it's just gonna push it, and now we gotta grab it. Wait, film it in me. Getting some money back again.
It's stuck like that.
So it got stuck right now. So sure. So next time, I don't know, we got it stuck, but don't do that. Then you can just let it all come out. So that's how you hack a vending machine.